love team?
Hindi ko naisip eh. So ngayon actually isipin ko siya sa question mo. Siguro solo artist. Pero if again, sabi ko nga what works, kung ano yung mag-work, I'll accept it, let's see. Diba? So again, it's part of the business.
Okay. Upon listening dun sa mga answer mo regarding the love team with Barbie, I'm sure yung mga fans niyo would like to know ano na talaga yung status ng dalawa. I mean, are you still a love team? Are you still going to push through with that path? Or the love team has ended? Ano na ang status? And, ayun, yun mo.
I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure actually. I think at this point where we are going solo, as you can see, like kaya naman ako nandito, di ba? Also Barbie's doing her own thing. Ay, ang dami niyang ginagawa ngayon na mga projects and I'm really happy for her. Really proud of her kasi yun naman talaga yung gusto talaga niya gawin. Ako naman, I'm doing my best also, di ba? If it's new for me, like yung last show ko, I was with Julian Ward. Hindi naman si Barbie kasi hindi naman si Barbie Cortez yung kasama ko. So,
But Opcam, how are you and Barbie?
okay naman. Yeah. I think we're okay.
Okay.
Simple, I guess.
Kasi napaisip din kami dun sa, susugang ko yung question ni Chico kanina, yung dun sa naging statement niya dun sa nakaraang question niya regarding his new leading man. In a way, parang it was compared to the past leading men na as we all know, isa ka naman talaga sa naging known kalauting niya. So parang ang naging dating, may problema ba? May naging hindi ba okay between dun sa journey nyo as a love team? Parang gano'n.
Ano ba yung paano sumagot ng showbiz, no?
Sige, huwag ka naman showbiz. Parang mas maganda.
Well, totoo naman kasi si Karil, napakabait naman kasi talaga niyang tao. Kahit ako, gusto ko talaga siya na tao, like he's a friend of mine. Pag nakita ko niya sa gym, I really talk to him. We talk for like maybe 15 to 20 minutes, di ba? He's really a nice person. Kaya, for sure, yun din naman talaga yung magiging perception ni Barbie.
Nagulat ka rin.
Na ano?
Yung sa ganong statement.
Alin doon?
Na parang with Galil, siya yung pinakamabinong leading man. Kalauting.
I mean, if that's her opinion, diba? It's okay. Yeah. If that's her opinion, it's okay.